po si Dan.
Magandang hapon. It's hapon na, baby.
Magandang hapon.
Ayan guys, kumusta po kayong lahat? Hope you guys are doing okay even the weather is bad today. And time check, it's already 5:10. It's March 29, Monday. So for today's vlog,
we are going to just open one of Leah's little Saladmaster items.
yeah, so this one guys is a free item that I got from Saladmaster. So if you want to have this one, just let me know. Leave your comment down below and I help you to get one of this one-of-a-kind food processor. So let's see what's inside the box. So, what do you call this? Guide. Use and care guide. There you go.
These are great. I used to have one of these before, many years ago. And it's got many different applications. One of my favorite ones was cheese grating. If you're gonna grate a bunch of cheese, this thing is the cat's meow. It has many different types of different
Cones, they call
cones,
it cones.
yes. So you experiment a little bit, you figure out which one works best for you for the application that you have. Want to take that off? This is a really nice quality item. It's beautifully built inside. The nice part about it is this just sort of pressure fits onto here. So if you're not going to be kneading it, you can just sort of, oops. I remember, there we go. Okay, then you just take your cone.
No, no.
Yep, yep.
Be careful.
It goes like that and just locks in. Bam. Just like that, folks.
Ta-da! This one is also good. You can also put this one.
Stick your finger there and you'll see how well it works.
This right. There you go.
So then if you want to take it off, just go like this and reverse it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Voila. Very easy. Just hooks into place. And voila.
Yeah.
There you go.
On our part 2, I'm gonna show you how to use this, the demo of the Saladmaster food processor. You guys, I would like to tell you guys that this is the very first product of Saladmaster. This is the only one. Saladmaster food processor. And then, namimigay na lang nila ito. Don't do that. Oh, you really wanted to?
Yeah, let's grind something.
Oh,
Let's
okay.
grate something.
Really?
Don't make me wait. It'll kill me.
Okay,
Yeah, give me it.
patatas, potatoes.
I'm gonna do that lemon, but okay.
No, not that one. Wait.
That's just want to play when you get a new toy.
I thought next video pa.
Oh, we can do next video too.
So remember, this bowl is also free stuff. Remember?
Mm-hmm.
Another free stuff from Saladmaster. Okay, we have some potatoes. Okay. So what cone is that? 1, 2, 4, 3, and 5. So that's one.
Okay.
One.
One potato.
Yeah, you can do that. No, you have to push it. They will be good enough. That's it. Yeah, so this, you can make it like for your salad or achara in the Philippines. We call it achara. Okay, next cone.
Oh, you want to do a
Yeah.
different cone? Okay. Well, let's just show them what this cone is.
Just fine, great, like it's
Yeah.
good for cheese as well.
That would be
Cone number 1.
That would be what you'd use if you were going to do hash browns.
Yeah.
With potatoes.
Okay. There you go, guys. Inside, it's safe to
Yeah.
just.
It's the outside
not that.
that's sharp. That's
Okay.
the business end.
Number 2. Number 2.
Potato again?
You don't want to use this?
Yeah, I suppose. Sure.
That's it.
It's a safety mechanism. Okay, now the potato.
And then you can just push it there. Number 2, let's see the difference. It's bigger though.
Again, it still works for hash brown. These are
But-
very small potatoes, sad to say. We don't have a lot to work
Let's see
with
the
here.
difference. It's
Yeah.
bigger strands.
Yeah. Real cool.
Okay.
Yeah.
Number 2, right?
Yeah, that was number 2. Okay.
Number 3.
Okay. So there's still some left there.
So, okay, I'll show them how to. Not using this one, but I'll just put. So number 3 is, I forget number.
You got anything bigger? How about a carrot?
Yeah, you can do carrot. Where I can put inside.
There you go.
Don't remove this, baby. Wait lang. So, just be careful.
Yeah, you don't want to get your fingers in there.
Let's bigger that now. This is for potatoes. Potato. French
Why would you
fries.
want to make a potato like that, I wonder?
Okay, this one, for example.
Oh, you can go from there? Okay.
If it's long, it's okay. Be careful.
What do you call that? It's not really a
Number
shredder.
3. No. Okay, let's try number 4.
Okay. Yeah.
4.
Number 4. See, it's just got these holes at the back, and they just go right into here. So you just sort of pressure fit it all into place, and it's as easy as 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Potato?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
See.
Well, that's nice. That's
Yeah,
like if you're
that's
making
for-
potato chips.
Yeah, for potato chips.
Yeah, deep fry those, and away you go.
Zucchini.
Yep, zucchini.
Okay,
Yep, so that's number 4.
4. You don't have to do this, just remove the
Oh,
corner.
okay. That's pretty cool. Potato chips.
Number 5.
Okay.
This one.
One more potato. Okay. These are really small potatoes. They're like almost like baby potatoes.
Oh, and it's like crispy.
Ripple chips. So there you go.
There you
Very
go, guys.
fast, very swift little demonstration.
Yeah.
It gives you an idea what you could do. So if you got a big, a big bag of potatoes, you want to turn them into potato chips, or if you want to grate them and turn them into hash browns, you can fly through real fast. Zing, 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 zing.
Time saver. You can do
Yep.
onions, everything.
Yep.
Zucchini, carrots, cabbage for your pancit. It's like this one is the best.
Yep. And when you're done, you just give this thing a quick wipe down, wash these in the sink. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3.
And
Very-
it will never get dull because it's made on titanium.
There you
Highest
go.
form of metal. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope nagustuhan niyo po yung aming video. Very short, unboxing and a quick demo kung paano gamitin yung each cones. I'm not expecting Donald gonna show it to you guys, and it's good, right? So thank you guys for watching this video.
Salamat sa panonood ng aming video. Hanggang sa mali. Kita-kits.